Today, we will continue our great journey by covering more and more examples. We'll go over great trade examples and talk in detail about entries and taking profit. I'll cover 3 great examples from A to Z and explain everything possible. If you are ready, let's do this. Let's work on a couple of trade practices. Check the MYRO coin, for example. What do you see here in this 1 hour time frame? Price rapidly increased towards the previous day high, creating this momentum imbalance. This coin is in rush and very strong, which makes it one of the top gainers. Let's drop to a low time frame such as 1 or 2 minutes and see the price action closely. All those giant green candlesticks are actually simple pullbacks and new breaks. Notice the very clear structure right around here. Price breaks and pullbacks. This imbalance was a place where I was waiting for an entry. Price had hanged too much around this area. So at the moment, I have decided to make an entry and push the price up if possible. However, I had to cover enough space for my stop loss for later pullback. This is one of the best entries and exits from my recent trades. So, what happened here? Let's discuss. Price in momentum, running towards the previous day high. During this movement, it starts to protect its lows and keep moving by making new breaks. This is a very classic masterclass setup which I enjoy a lot. The advantage of trading momentum coins, you can find many setups like this every single day. Let's discuss another trade, CFX wins and losses. As you can see on this 1 hour time frame, price sweeps liquidity and breaks upwards. From there, price just goes insane and rallying with momentum imbalances. All this great, but what happens during the rally, especially in the lower time frames? Let's drop to 2-minute charts again and see further. Okay, first of all, this trade is very similar to previous trade, price moving towards the previous day high. And it creates this extremely clear structure box during the rally. It is supported by imbalance and order blocks. This is a masterpiece trade, a textbook example. Then the price hunts the previous day high. However, it is still very powerful and creates another structure box. Okay, here is the big tip for you. Hunting a previous day high or low does not mean anything about a reverse yet. Price can easily keep rallying forever. Previous day high low mean nothing at all. It is only meaningful if the structure changes. In this case, I noticed the power of the rally and used PDH, an amplifier and long again, but I lost. A great loss. Then as you can see, structure changes here. Buyers fail to hold the price. So what exactly happened here? Let's make a snapshot out of it. Price is rallying, trying to hunt the previous day high. It keeps creating the structured boxes to trade. However, after the hunt, buyers lost control. Then the seller take back the control and it keeps pushing the price down. As you can notice, this is all a game between buyers and sellers who try to beat each other. And in this game, there is no constant winner. Outcome changes all the time. Okay, one more example to discuss. This time the price is in a rally towards the previous week high. Crazy price movement from $80 to $100. All great in this 1 hour time frame. You can see these giant, big green candlesticks. But what happens inside them? Let's learn and discuss. We will check the 1 minute time frame. Again, you can see the repeating pattern here. All we do here is keep repeating the same things over and over. I do not invent new methods every day. I apply the same techniques again and again. First of all, check this area. This is not a tradable zone. It is actually tradable, but if you open the 15 seconds charts, because in 15-second charts, same things again happening, pullback and break. However, after all that, what happens? Look at the clarity. Break and pullback, break and pullback, break and pullback, break and pullback. This is why I keep repeating the same thing. Without patience and good timing, you cannot be a trader. 90% of my losing trades have the same results. Impatience, fear of missing trade, jumping early trades. Timing is so important. So, price rallying towards the previous week high point. During the rally, there is a period without a good setup. Then after a while, it gives you 3 to 4 trade entry chances within 30 minutes. Okay, my friends, I hope you gained great knowledge today. I try to keep things as simple as possible. If you have enjoyed the video, please leave a comment and a like. See you in the next video. Take care, please. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you'll discover a strategy called YOYO strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you can find links on my website on the description. Take care, friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.